Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use and install Apollo EU extension in Chrome Web Store. But before we proceed, please consider to subscribe to our channel to help us post more helpful guides and tutorials. Head over to your Chrome Web Store and search for Apollo.eu on the search bar. Hit enter, you will get to this page for the Apollo EU official extension. Click on Add to Chrome and install the extension. So this extension is really easy. It helps you find new contacts, send emails to some LinkedIn profiles and companies, and it helps you to make your mail sending work or any approach to contact other profiles and with Gmail or on Google Drive. So this would make your contacts and finding some jobs very easy. So it helps you find contact emails, building lists, set contacts and company insights and signals. It helps you send emails, personalized emails with AI, add email templates, snippets, call contacts, create and log new tasks. So this all the future of this Apollo AI extension. It helps, so you can also read for the Gmail features it provides. So with Google Calendar there is an integration also. Salesforce, LinkedIn. So it's free to use, and we can just eliminate email credits and do basic sequence automation. So this is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.